Pop Creek gun dogs coming at you. We're up here on a little hidey hole we got on the mountain. We got 10 dogs fixing to drop out. We got my cousin Mark and my cousin Crystal with us, and we got Chuck Lively. It's his first trip with us. Hopefully the rain will bear with us. Y'all stay tuned. Find him. We may not jump a damn rabbit. Who knows? Find him. Get him, Bo. Get him, Bo. Get him, Bo. Get him, Gus. Get him, Gus. The high protein is a dropping. That old Roy. Old Roy. Old Roy. I know that smell. Paul hit that's all he said his dog was slop. Shoo! Golly. I know, I need to dig some of them up, don't I? Take them home with me. We done seen one big old bull elk this morning. Y'all get to see him here later on. We got a video of him. Something wrong with him, he's hurting. We'll see if these old dogs will jump a rabbit here in a minute.
Mark, we need to record that.
Golly, that's beautiful.
Ernie can't record him doing that.
I'm trying, he won't do it now.
Can you tell if he's been shot or something?
He ain't been, I don't think he's been shot.
He's just standing still now. Hey, hey, hey!
That's beautiful.
There he goes.
That front left.
Bring it here, Bruiser. Bruiser, bring it here. Bring it here. Bring him here. Good boy. Good boy. Bring him here. Hey, hey. Bring him here. Bring him here. Good dogs. Good dogs. Dead. He's dead. He's dead. That's the one y'all's after right there. He just slipped shuckins. Good job. Hey, looky there, Ethel. Look at that, Ethel. Look at that, Bo. Bo, look at that, Ethel. What do you think of that, honey? What do you think? What do you think of that? Yeah. Good dogs. Good job. Good job. Good job. Yes, it came right off top of this hill right in front of you down there, and they picked it back up. And then it run up this way. Rabbit number 2 killed one. We just had 2 hogs over here we shot. Just a little 28 gauge wasn't much for them. But they had a rude awakening this morning. See if we can get on another one right here. Ethel's over there on the mountainside. Look at her up there, old park goat. She's 5.5 months old. She's adventuring out. Bo just jumped rabbit number 3 over there. Attaboy, Bo. You know what it's done? Every time, man. Hang on. Normally these rabbits go over that high wall and go in the hole. Chuck, be looking, be looking. is coming back. You hear that high-pitched bark? That's ghost. Mark, coming at you! My gun didn't shoot the second time again. Hey, a dog's having a seizure. Dang it. Jerry, Jerry, Jerry. Hey, you're okay. Hey, you're okay. Hey, you're okay. Hey, you're okay. Hey, buddy, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Hey, you're okay. You're okay, buddy. You're okay. Hey, you're okay. Come here. Come here. You're okay. Hey, you're okay, buddy. You're okay. Hey, look at him. Look at him, dude. That's pitiful. You better be looking. Here, Jerry, he's my best hunting dog I got. He just had a seizure on us. I hope everything's okay with him. He stumbled around a little bit. I gave him some Mountain Dews, maybe his sugar dropping on him. Come here, Bo. This way, right there, right there. Good boy. Hey, come down through here. Hey, come down through there. Come here, shotgun. Shotgun, come here. Good boys. Hey, shotgun. Shotgun. Get down here, right there. Right there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here, Bo. Let's go. Let's go right there. Hey, call shotgun. There you go. Jerry, you okay, buddy? Come on, shotgun. Come on, BB. Whew, man. What an event. That right there had a seizure on me. Over there gave him some Mountain Dew and a Twinkie. And dog BB fell off that freaking high wall up there. The rabbit went in the hole. The good Lord's raining on us right now, but that's okay, we need it. We got some seed on the ground at home, so that's good. See if we can